A bed cover, otherwise known as a tonneau cover, is one of the most crucial automotive accessories for any truck. Without a bed cover, the contents of your truck bed will remain exposed, which presents a very real security risk. Imagine arriving at your destination only to discover that the items in the back of your truck are either missing or have been damaged by the weather conditions. Definitely not something anyone wants to experience. The Toyota Tundra is widely considered to be one of the most reliable truck models out there. Toyota has sold in excess of 2.2 million Tundra trucks over a period of 20 years, but even a truck as popular and well-built as the Tundra can suffer in terms of practicality and ease of use without the right bed cover. We have listed the top 5 tonneau covers for Tundra CrewMax and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, legitpic.com. Number 5. North Mountain Soft Roll-Up Truck Tonneau Cover. The North Mountain is a top-quality tonneau cover that will surely provide full access to your truck bed. It comes with the automotive and marine industry's high-grade vinyl that is durable and long-lasting. It is easy to operate, roll up and down, and provides a flat, clean, and tight look when closed so that it does not interfere with the cargo area. And it is designed to fit perfectly on all Tundra CrewMax models. The tonneau cover is compatible with both the double and crew cab versions of the pickup truck. Moreover, it is stitched with high-tier strength nylon thread and is easy to install and remove. All you need to do is simply roll it up and secure it with the included straps and tools. Also, use the instructions provided along with the package. Neither does it weigh much, and the tension of the fabric can easily be adjusted to control its weight. In fact, you can adjust the tension so it's a little loose or tight depending on the amount of cargo you have. We used this tonneau cover for our Toyota Tundra and we were really satisfied with the quality and performance. Overall, this tonneau cover is perfect for a variety of situations, whether you're looking for protection from sun, snow, or rain. A 1000-hour test shows that it's water resistant and able to withstand extreme weather. Number 4. YITAMOTOR Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The perfect solution for your Toyota Tundra is at hand with its 100% factory brand tonneau cover with deck rails. This cover ensures precise compatibility and will keep your car bed safe from any unwanted particles. This new cover comes with a revolutionary design that requires no tools or drillings for installation. With its upgraded clamps, the user can put it together within 20 minutes. We love that this product features user-friendly components, so there's never any need to worry about assembly time-consuming challenges again. Just quick and easy screwdriver action when you need. This tonneau cover is designed with reinforced corner construction, which ensures that it stays tight against your bed. Moreover, sturdy clamps and buckles protect the material from sliding or blowing off while driving on bumpy roads. This back cover is made with double-layer PVC on top and structured in a solid alloy frame, built to last, making an excellent addition to your Tundra CrewMax. We are excited to share its weatherproof protection, which makes it a durable and reliable product and is always there for any occasion, no matter if the season is changing or bad weather is there. In addition, this lovely product comes with 4 sides protected by water-resistant seals and 2 more seal strips to make your cargo safe from all angles. Its top-mount style is perfect for you when you want the sleek and stylish look of not having anything on your window. The waterproof tonneau cover is made up of high-quality commercial-grade vinyl that will not stretch or fade over time. Its material is guaranteed to last. Number 3. Tyger Auto Soft Top T3 Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Thanks to the pocket-friendly price tag, ease of installation, and unmatched functionality, the Tyger Auto T3 ranks as the best Tundra tonneau cover among the soft 3-fold variety. And if you're not up for spending half of your salary on a truck bed cover for the 2014 to 2019 Toyota Tundra, this could be the solution you're looking for. There's no arguing that this model features a surprisingly sturdy construction. There's not much going on stylistically speaking, but the marine-grade vinyl coupled with aluminum frame and crossbar certainly adds strength and durability. And when you need something secure that's going to protect your cargo from the elements, including rain, snow, hail, and UV rays, it's this type of durability and weather-tight sealing that matters the most. General ease of use is another aspect of its performance that I thoroughly liked. The ease of access to the truck beds, for instance, is ensured by quick-release clamps and horizontal crossbars that makes folding the cover more convenient. Plus, it came pre-assembled, so there weren't any complicated parts or modifications to deal with. I had the entire thing installed in a matter of minutes. I did install it on a truck with under the bed rail bed liners though, otherwise it would have required some minor modifications. I'm also a bit skeptical about the durability of all the plastic parts, including clamps and buckles. Number 2. Gator EFX Hard Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. People tend to like the trifold truck bed covers more than the other alternatives. I understand this reasoning behind this, but there are some things that you should take into consideration when going with the trifold option. First, let's talk about some things that I instantly liked about the truck bed cover. The installation process is quite simple to do, doesn't require drilling, and the rails that come with this tonneau cover come on as smoothly as possible. When the tailgate is closed, the feeling that you get is that it couldn't be more secure. That's due to the cover actually being surprisingly secure when closed. The section of this trifold tonneau cover are pretty easy to unfold, and you don't have to open all three to gain access to your truck bed. This is quite important since some covers don't allow you to do this. One thing that I found unsatisfactory when it comes to this tonneau cover is that it doesn't seem that it's waterproof at all. So if you're experiencing heavy rain where you live, it's probably a good idea to check some other trifold tonneau covers. Not being waterproof might be a deal breaker for some people. If you're one of them, I suggest you check out some other tonneau covers on this list. Number 1. BAK BAKFlip MX4 Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The BAK BAKFlip MX4 tonneau covers offer ultimate security when traveling with your truck. It's America's #1 selling hard folding cover that looks better than other covers and is the most sturdy one. When folded completely upright against the cab, it gives you 100% access to your truck bed, so you can haul large loads without having to remove the truck bed cover. And it has durable aluminum panels that automatically latch as the cover is partially or fully closed, and is fully locked once your tailgate is closed. You can operate this cover closed, folded, or flipped up, all without covering the third brake light. That means you don't have to worry about the tailgate lights getting covered by the cover, as it combines a resilient infrastructure with a sleek, flush-mount, low-profile design. During turbulent driving, the panels are protected by shock-absorbent bumpers on either side of the panel. The dual-drain tubes on each side of the panel will help keep the bed dry even when it's raining. The MX4 can support up to 400 pounds of evenly distributed weight and is backed by a hassle-free 5-year warranty. Additionally, it is proudly made in the USA with globally sourced materials with a US-based support team so completely reliable. One of the best things about this tonneau cover is that it can fold in half for easy storage and is user-friendly, requiring no tools or expertise. In short, its textured matte finish adds a premium look and feel while also protecting against UV damage, annoying fingerprint marks, and scratches. Undoubtedly, it's a tonneau cover that's worth every penny. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.